I've been testing the LG 48-inch class OLED Evo AI Super Upscaling for the past 2 weeks. You're going to want to hear this. This TV is a game changer for anyone who loves gaming, movies, or just having an amazing viewing experience at home. It's perfect for families, couples, or anyone who spends way too much time in front of their screen. The LG 48-inch class OLED Evo AI Super Upscaling is the real deal. It makes life easier, and I'm here to tell you why. First off, let's talk about the Alpha 9 AI processor Gen 8. This thing is like having your own personal picture and sound butler. It analyzes what you watch, and based on that analysis, it gives you a personalized viewing experience that just feels right, not too bright, not too dark, just perfect. I was not expecting how seamless this all feels together. Next up, we've got Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos. This is where the magic happens, folks. Colors are vibrant, contrast is insane, and the sound will transport you straight to the big screen. Perfect black and perfect color technology on over 8.3 million self-lit smart pixels create an incredible watching experience, even in bright rooms. Here's the thing, I was skeptical about the gaming features at first, but LG's got it down pat. The response time is lightning fast, you won't even notice any blurring or tearing, and the refresh rate is mind-blowing. You'll be able to game at speeds that feel almost supernatural, all thanks to NVIDIA G-Sync, AMD FreeSync Premium, DRR, and 4 HDMI 2.1 inputs. Now, let's get to the good stuff, real-world benefits. Look, you won't care about the specs sheet, what matters is how this TV feels in your hands. It's a whole new level of immersion when gaming, watching movies or just relaxing on the couch, it's all better with this baby. Real talk, this thing is worth every penny. Sure, some might find it expensive, but trust me, you get what you pay for here. The price is a steal considering the quality and features you're getting. One honest complaint I do have, the Alexa integration could be smoother at times. It's not a deal breaker by any means, just something to keep in mind if you're heavily invested in the Alexa ecosystem. So, should you buy it? Absolutely. I've been testing this TV for 2 weeks now, and every time I walk into the room, I feel like I'm getting ready to hit a home run or experience some cinematic magic. It's that good.